What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to install Bluetooth headphones on your Windows PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. To make sure Bluetooth is working properly on your PC, you will have to make sure that the latest Bluetooth and wireless adapter is installed. Click on the first link in the description to get to this page. From here, proceed to download the Windows 11 or Windows 10 64-bit Intel wireless Bluetooth adapter. The download can take a couple of seconds to complete, and it will show up in your downloads folder. Double-click the installer to proceed the installation process. The setup wizard will help you install the missing files, and after accepting the license agreement, select the typical option before installing the files. When the installation is complete, click Finish. When this is done, search for Bluetooth in your Start menu search to open your Bluetooth and other devices settings window. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on and click on Add Device. Proceed to search and connect your Bluetooth headphones. Make sure your Bluetooth device is in pairing mode and that you're close enough to your Windows PC to connect it. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.